Hello, boys and girls. It is NTI day 28, and today's packet you're going to have to do a little bit of writing, okay? And you've written in your other packets, I know, but today you are writing those same steps in a process. So if we come down here and we look at the first page, it has a picture of a glass. And the pictures show the steps of a science experiment. Are these steps in the right order, and how do you know? So it says, watch as the sun melts the ice. Fill a glass with ice cubes. Set this glass in a warm, sunny area. So are those in the correct order is the first thing we have to ask ourselves. Would this happen first? Or which picture would be first? The middle one, right? Fill a glass with ice cubes. And then what are you going to have to do with the ice cubes? Put it in the what? The sun. And then the sun is going to what? Melt the ice. So you're going to put those in order in our chart. So you're going to use the captions up here, these captions, to write it in the chart. And they're done for you. First, you fill a glass with ice cubes. Next, you'd put what happens next with the caption. And then last, you'd put the caption. And that kind of helps you in order to do the next part. So you're going to read how to start a weather wall. And you could really do this if you wanted to, boys and girls. And after you do that, you're going to do the same thing with the directions. It says begin each sentence with one of these words: first, next, last. So you're going to write the steps that you would need to do in order to make a weather wall. And if you come back up here and look in the paragraph, you're going to see those transition words. First is right there. So I know that my first step that I need to write is right there. And then it says, what words help you know the order of the steps and the directions? So we had to use those words, right? What are those words that helped us? So think about that when you're writing your answer. Then you have, you have a short little paragraph about George Washington Carver and about Alexander Graham Bell. And after that, it says name at least two things that were the same about George Washington Carver and Alexander Graham Bell. And it also has the sentence started for you, they both, they both. So tell me two things that they have in common. Two things that they have in common. And then it has a couple more questions that you'll have to answer about them. So that is what you're doing today, boys and girls. I hope that you've had a good week so far, and I know that you've been working hard. I want you to know that you need to keep going. After this week, the next packet will be a reading log, and we're going to do some fun things together, and I'll do it with you. I brought some books home from school so that I can read to you. So if you don't have a book at home, you can use my book to answer the questions, and we're going to have some fun on field day coming up. So just keep working hard, okay? You can do it.